Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to cover hands-on activities for AMI. So first let me go to the EC2 instance and instances. Okay, I have terminated all those instances, so I'll just create a new instance. I'll just give it some name, my new instance, and okay, and while in my previous videos I was talking about there are different types of AMIs. So these quick start ones are the one provided by AWS, and we can also search from the AWS marketplace. Okay, that option is also there. Since I have not created any AMI in this account, that's why we are not getting that option. So that option will also come, but let's see. So okay, name is given. I'll just select the Amazon Linux one. That is fine. This is also good. Free tier eligible one. This is also good. Instance type is also fine. Everything looks good. Key pair name for connection, I will just select my EC2 key pair. Create security group is fine. Okay, I will launch this instance. So it is successful now. Let's go to the instance. It will take some time. I'll just pause the video. Now we can see the instance is up and running. Now we want to create AMI from this EC2 instance. Okay, what we will do, we'll just select it, right click, click on image and templates, and click on create image. Okay, we also have option of launch more like this, create template from instance. You can create template also, but we just want to create another AMI. Do we want to create AMI from this EC2 instance? Click on create image, and then we need to give image name. So my first AMI. Okay, image description optional, that is optional, etc. We can add more volume to it, that is fine. We can add tags, that is also fine. Let's click on create image. The image is created, it's being created. How can we access it? We can just scroll down, and under images we will find this AMIs. Click on that, and let this. Okay, and then this is going on. We just refresh it. So this AMI is created, my first AMI, this is created. Now what we can do, we can launch. So this AMI is available now. We can use this AMI to create to launch another EC2 instance. What we need to do is select it, and then we'll get this option, launch instance from AMI. Click on that. Okay, and then again we need to give the web server name. So I'll say my EC2 instance using AMI. Okay, scroll down, and this AMI is already selected, my first AMI. Okay, so whatever configurations were there, all were selected, right? Key pair we can select, and security group is fine, and launch the instance. So we just used AMI to launch another EC2 instance. Okay, looks like the AMI was in pending state. Let me just check that. And yes, indeed it is in pending state right now. So let's wait for some time, and right now it's available. Let me first try, because that is also a use case, right? I'll just go and I'll just retry. If it doesn't work, then I will just try to launch this again. Let me retry, and it is successful. So that is also a good use case to understand. If there is an AMI which we are using to launch the EC2 instance, but that AMI itself is not yet ready, it's in pending state, then the launch of EC2 instance will fail, but we can retry it after that AMI is available. Okay, so the EC2 instance is created. Let's go to that EC2 instance, and now we should see another EC2 instance created. Yes, and we can see we just created a new EC2 instance using AMI. right? And it's in running state. Okay. Another use case is we just saw that using AMI we launched EC2 instance, but we can also let's try another thing. I'll just launch a new EC2 instance, launch instance, and here I can provide name for my EC2 instance. But here earlier this my AMI option was not coming. Only recents and quick start was coming because there was no AMI created so far for this account, but now this is available. And if I select it, my first AMI, the AMI what I have created, that is also coming in the drop down. So this time I will just give the name of this EC2 instance. I'll choose this one and I can launch the instance. So this is how we can create the AMI and we can use the AMI to launch another EC2 instance. Thank you so much for watching.